In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete an assignment in Edpuzzle. Whether you assign it by mistake or just want to remove it from your class, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your teacher account here in Edpuzzle and hover to the left side area of the dashboard and go to your classes or click the My Classes. Here, choose the section. There are multiple tabs and you need to choose the assignment that you want to delete. For example, this one. Now you will see a 3-dot icons on the top corner, and if you click on it, there should be an option to delete assignment. You will be prompted asking if you are sure about to delete this assignment. If you are really decided, okay, click the Yes Delete. It's super simple. All right. And basically that's it for today's video. Now you have successfully deleted an assignment in Edpuzzle. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.